Okay, this is a short video intro to the On Point Cobra 5-inch drone racer. When you unpack, you should have pretty much everything that you see here. You're going to have your 4 arms. This is the bottommost plate, this is the middle plate, and this is the top plate. Over here you will have standoffs. They will be red or black. You should have 8 of them, and then these 2 items on these 2 standoffs are what you're going to mount your camera to. That is a 3D printed little hinge for you to screw the camera to. Then we have the LED lights. This is your camera along with the adjustment for the camera. You've got your motors. You've got this right here. This is the ESC and flight controller along with the video transmitter and the receiver. You have should be 16 6mm screws, Allen. I think they are 2mm Allen tool, but there should be 16 of those. There should be 4 8mm, and then there should be 8 12mm screws. There should be 4 of the nylock nuts, and there should be 4 of these silver nuts. These are the motor screws, the motor bolts that you will have when you unpack your motors out of each of their boxes. I've already built all this once, then I tore it apart. Now I'm going to build it for you guys, just so that way you have an idea of what you're getting yourselves into. Make it easier, make it quicker. If you already know what's up, you fast forward. If you don't know something or you miss something, pause, rewind. They're very helpful. And this should go as quickly and easily as possible. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. And the easiest really is to kind of start from the bottom up with this plate right here. Again, like I said, you're going to use your 12mm. I'm going to just sit here and drop them in like this on the 4 outer holes. And then you're going to put them on the 4 inner holes, like that. So this is where your 12mm will go. So just like that, okay? And you just kind of flip it over so that you have it like that. And next, you're going to just start adding your arms. Now, you want the point to kind of be a protector in case you hit something. So I'm going to have my point going that way. Same for this guy. He's just going to go like that. See how they fit together just like that. This guy, just like that. And this guy, just like that. And then this is going to go over sometimes it needs a little persuasion. Come on, baby. sometimes they need a little there. And while you're doing this, the nuts will go here like that. Sometimes, if they don't pop through super easily, it could be just that the hole is a little off. So you can just thread it in just like that. We cut all of this carbon on a CNC machine, and so if anything is just even a fraction off, it winds up, you know, being a little finicky. But that goes just like that. This guy goes through here like that. Or wait, wrong one. The 8s go through those. Goes through this one like that. Okay, so I keep falling through. I'll put it like that for a second, because actually we need these guys. Yours will be already in a bag, but basically I'm gonna pull them off so that I can show you what I'm doing here. These will, like I said, they'll be already out in a bag for you to use, so they will not be on the flight controller already. Like that. And we'll put those on these guys here, like this. So as you can see, those are for the flight controller. This part here is for the arms. And then the last part are the 4 8mm screws, which you're gonna put in here like this. Like that. And there. So those 4 go in there like that. And what they might fall out, but basically that's what these are. So these